Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwodwum edi so dia o kensi ho sempa esa kan no pen so ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono quantum coding small do esa kan no pen so e wo Ghana gudim ejao chen so mam say Jeffers Health Limited o the Jeffers edrute tashono and the one expert have always studied that betting is better than Sakawa and have said more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. One more night touch about men and pension then come on at me abroad. Make sure say the fee Carabao Cup results out with 20 PM. Manchester United for Charlton Athletic Football Macami and San. One more end me and take Canona for Newcastle United at Leicester City Macami Noir almost so end me anti. Results out with 20 to Jan and upon Oka Krabi at the amount Yamia Duma and Common between South was Bill, but then matches in the 8th South was uninterrupted. Nottingham Forest, Nottingham Wilma, one more any wolves the basis here can have Saddam Tibeton said of Man City. Now, so they are casing Etiabo. So after Mamintin Tomb, our Ghana and Kumum. Fina no ada Koba say Ghana, your boy Monday to 3 matches a World Cup. The dear near 20th century field pay and a coach Utuadu Ja team no setting 10 to do not for take guarantee to assume when you review. Say head coach and farmer the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana. And then Yabe PM say Quenya Bedaho, say Kwembiaso, a month for between say rest SCMU. And Yabe PM say Oko Ghana Football Association from paying for Kachia 60 coaches Makumaku 60 and I'm apply for the job but money didn't pass unya yentun some fan from na for mumebwa na omumedi Ghana Football Association womu Black Stars no head coach di breno
when you now your rough calculation how many applications now we are receiving
maybe over 60
yes. Applications
yes
hey. And also,
yeah,
Blasters is attractive.
Oh, very attractive. You can't play at the World Cup on 4 occasions and think your brand is not attractive.
Yeah,
no, it's not possible.
It's not possible.
You cannot have Mohamed Kudus in your team and think your brand is not attractive.
Yeah,
no. Kona anko ye in Qatar.
Yeah,
na ye expecting it, but I think we showed very good signs. Given another platform, no. Because in a team where Jiku, Mate, Salisu, Andre Ayew, Jordan, Osman, Bukari, Thomas Partey, Mohamed Kudus, Kamaldeen Suleiman, Kamal Sowa, with all his brilliance in the Champions League, Wanyawa match Kramo, you could still look on the bench and form another team. I represent Black Stars on a good day on between a winning. It is an attractive brand, no doubt about that. And me say me surprised every morning will be email Biana coaches air apply. And most of is also agents also air apply on behalf of coaches.
Yeah. But so at least you can say your over 60 applications are about what kind of caliber of coaches now we receive these
most of them are European coaches and some of them too from South America.
Yeah. Ghana Nibia apply.
So far no.
Ghana Nibia apply.
No.
Not a Ghanaian coach but according me could say blaster you make me apply.
No, application wise no, but Matiti already also say ebimo.
And see Henry Asante Chume Kasama for Penny the Ghana Football Association and I on the Ghana for Koju GH Koju Abuntoro Koshinkeba for more funding pompa Umsim Kunyana for them common 8%. But was not the Chichima ba say coach pa mo penono. Say with me some air characteristics being a party obwa, so assistant coaches on should be intiminya, or Makasa Bessa Doom, or Makopom coach the Bama, the senior national soccer team, Black Stars of Ghana.
Can you tell us the caliber of coach you are looking for? No, because we should know. We should know. Yati names the break. Yati Chris Utindi. Yati George Watson. Because you have the one obey. Yati Paulo Bento. Yati Dano Kra Tomatuke Kra. Kwa kuya say you want Tomatuke. Oh, them say information in ya. Any can. Later, but we were sure of what we were saying.
Yeah.
Any but. Coach, type of coach Ben, yes, and I said, if you say obit me, Jumana, on the Tokyo is a high profile coach.
Yeah.
Paulo Bento or the coach of Portugal, but caliber of coach Ben at the FA is looking for.
Well, you need a coach who is firm and can take bold decisions at this point in time. You also need a coach who has the respect of the dressing room. any coach be a kekena okofano ba only respect of the dressing room now or take a decision and answer or desana players that is not what you need at this moment, especially when most of your into Okofa coach aba, you need to be guided in taking such decisions or control or authority or a firm or a bold and or sign having the respect of the dressing room. That is the kind of coach we need at this moment. Because Ogofa Obiba na or on to me and fan nine see from one dressing room agent in someone it's going to be calamitous, and that is not what we need at this moment, especially when we are preparing for a major tournament. Our Obo qualifiers we are go into a major tournament on the back of 2 tournaments are anko, in your next tournament it has to be good enough to merit status now over the years, and the coach obi take you over bia coach I was say obia or command respect now fe utumide ne 9 from one players ne de sa GD ne odono edebe manu a obetumide aye adwuma de amaya results na ye no.
So you can tell us that by the end of January there you will have a new Blasters coach?
No, I can't confirm, but I'm saying nkomo omodidi no, that is the plan.
Nti Henry Asante Chume kasama for penye de Ghana Football Association or this Sanche Chemui etimi aba, but quickly enfa ni kire chan team na kashe na omo Algeria sena edi kan eyiwa sute no omo a couple of friendly matches between certain times and na omo wrap up with omo preparations no omo to start for Mozambique for na Kings ne course on the 72nd minute na Mozambique for lead 1-0. Ghana nya penalty ya Mozambique se pere yapon coach ne free pressing na so omo mobiu referee ne yesiti omo sena Kings ni se course nti aba prompt end nya de Kings ne kwa wie pa, but still na Mozambique atwa Ghana 1-0. Dr. Tony Obin Black Galaxies no management committee chairman na ordinary komoja sampa so far the preparations so no say isikwumanisa.
The Black Galaxies respect all the countries that are in this competition. Once you come into this competition, it means you've crossed some fundamental hurdles, and we know Morocco is at least judging from the World Cup is really the giant now in Africa. But people know us also. Moroccans are also talking about us. They are also saying, we're going to play Ghana. We wish we are not going to play Ghana. And we are not going to take any country for a ride. No, we're not taking anything for granted at all. We have been there before. We know what Comoros did to us. So we are going as if we are playing with Brazil or we are playing any other big team. So yes, Morocco is big, Madagascar is big, Sudan is big, but so also are we big. I think we are better prepared to overcome all these countries. I have always spoken about, in fact, I've admonished them about their motivation, about their sort of their unity and focus, their single purpose objective of being here. So I have also asked them to do things for themselves, because for me, I believe.
It's Dr. Tony Obin and I'll send it can about quickly Enko Ghana Premier League. Nyamia Duma midweek fixtures BBT and to Jane and I think so China Edging so a BBT and Basona Yakum, a Western Satan Asia Cordia, Nessa Matches and also 8 years out of Fem or Ghana Premier League in ye. Nessa Tamale City Beton Sada Fe Kumasi Sante Kotoko Legon Cities and it Dreams Football Club Sama Tesset on Sada Fe Beche United. Now for Brekum Chelsea ne Karela United Edia Bosona for Media Sporting Club Simpson Macasa Minianum. Woman in Swatreman FC and a Bishia Kan. Yamia Doma, Wachan so RT Beton Serafa Carla and Kanjata, Great Olympics, Olibubu, Olimashi, Olimconson, Conso, Oliputo, Oli the city is coming too low. Omni Gold Stars and the Debaboso, Adriana Stars Nico Tuko as Bishia Kanafi Kumasa can fight Salaja Blokarim Gusa team. Omni Accra has of phobia. Never say die as she do Ketakanam, Nankuntom Rantino. Ana edebe so medubi sia madawase na ma chelpi nyame adoma komondi bibre na ka me frotom we share mo asempa 94.7 FM so ade komo mo 18 sabra no pay enti follow transfer no wrestling na mesi koso a bie kama clubs no guso ye purchasing e wrestling na ma besia ko na nyumaku no emiensa Jeffers Health Limited the Jeffers 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa and afi Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas we pimo na aside ya odi pain it was the free within the profit wala sagudi catches abedi mamfansia na ne aka entoa so e wo bedwumdwumedie so